Hello beautiful people, it's your girl Josie the Nubian. How are you guys doing? And welcome to the family. I'm going to be doing a hair review on a company named Heraremy. Okay, so if you guys want to see more about this hair, please keep on watching and make sure to subscribe, like, and comment. Let's get into the juices. Go. How are you guys doing? I hope you guys are doing much better than me, and if not, I'm gonna pull up. Okay. Today guys, as you can see, I have a different setting, and also I'm going to be doing a hair review, a synthetic wig. Keep saying here again, by Heraremy. Raven, the style is called Raven, and it is a synthetic glueless wig. As you can see, it has a lace front. It has the lace at the front. I love the colors, and I love the color, but I can't see myself wearing it in public. And also we have inside those roots the scalp, so I'm gonna be trying it out. And plus, this is my first time wearing a wig. Okay, as you guys can see, I have all natural face today, and also I just had to add on a little eyebrow here and there, because you know, eyebrows are really the life, and gloss. Sorry, I don't have a wig cap, so I had to try to braid my hair. My hair right now is 100% natural. I'm going to be cutting off that lace because we don't need that, and we are about to see what's good. So I'm gonna cut the lace. I love the curls though, actually. So we about to see what's good. So just gonna cut. This is how the lace is fitting on my skin, so hopefully it should be good. Okay, all right guys, so I cut the lace off, so I'm about to put it on and see. Oh, there, I got it on the side. I can see that is the back. Oh, and it feels really tight on the head. I think it's really nice. It's really pretty. It's not my cup of tea. I wish I had gotten the all black. Maybe if it was all black, I would have definitely would have been rocking this wig like crazy, which I'm thinking about reordering it. But yeah, wait, let me try. It's pretty. Oh goodness me, I love it. Yeah, this is really pretty. If anything, I would like a little bang at the front and just cut it short. But overall, I think it's really nice. It blends with my skin. If you want to do like baby hairs, you can do that. I decided not to. I just want to give you guys the raw cut of how it looks. Okay. For me personally, I love it. The curls are really light. The hair feels really light. It's nice. It's a heavy. Yeah, I think it's beautiful. I think it's really beautiful. I love it. I actually do love it. So like I said guys, this hair is glueless. It's also a lace frontal, lace wig. It has some lace at the front, and it's in the style Raven, so you guys can check it out on their website. Like I said, their name is Heraremy Hair. Okay guys, that's it. I hope you guys follow them on Instagram, check out some other wigs that they have as well. Yeah, I actually love it. I think it's really cute and I love it. I should have gotten the black. They have other colors in this as well, but this is beautiful. Oh my goodness. I'll see you in the next one. Miss Josie is out.